Erectile dysfunction affects millions of men, and the good news is that safe, effective treatment options are widely available. Two of the most well-known prescription medications are Viagra and Cialis. While both medications improve blood flow and help support stronger erections, they work a little differently, and choosing the right one depends on your lifestyle, health history, and preferences. Here's a clear, side-by-side breakdown of how they compare. Both Viagra and Cialis belong to a class of medications called PDE5 inhibitors. They work by relaxing blood vessels, increasing blood flow to the penis, supporting erections in response to sexual stimulation. Takes effect in 30 to 60 minutes. Best taken on an empty stomach. Lasts about 4 to 6 hours. Often called the on-demand option, Cialis. Starts working in 30 to 45 minutes. Can be taken with or without food. Lasts up to 36 hours. Sometimes called the weekend pill, Cialis, lasts significantly longer, offering more spontaneity. Viagra has a shorter window but works reliably for planned intimacy. Typically prescribed in 25 milligram, 50 milligram, or 100 milligram. Taken as needed before sexual activity. Available in 5 milligram, 10 milligram, or 20 milligram for as-needed use. Also available in 2.5 milligram or 5 milligram daily dosing. Daily Cialis can be appealing for men who prefer not to plan around a pill, or who are sexually active multiple times per week. Trusted track record since 1998. Strong, predictable onset. Good choice for men who prefer shorter duration. Often slightly lower cost per dose. Viagra works well for men who want a medication they take only when needed, and who don't mind planning ahead. Long-lasting, up to 36 hours. More spontaneity. Can be taken daily. May help with urinary symptoms from enlarged prostate. Cialis is often preferred by men who want flexibility and less time pressure. Both medications share similar side effects because they work through the same pathway. Common side effects: headache, facial flushing, nasal congestion, indigestion, back pain or muscle aches. Unique differences: Viagra may cause temporary vision changes, blue tint or light sensitivity. Cialis may cause muscle or lower back discomfort. Longer-lasting mild side effects due to its extended duration. Both medications should not be taken if you use nitrates for chest pain, have severe uncontrolled heart disease, have dangerously low blood pressure. A medical evaluation is essential before starting either medication to ensure safety. The choice between Viagra and Cialis often comes down to lifestyle. If you prefer a shorter window, consider Viagra, more spontaneity, Cialis. Daily support, Cialis. Lower upfront cost per pill, Viagra. There is no better medication universally, only what fits your body and your routine best. Erectile dysfunction can sometimes signal underlying conditions like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, low testosterone, stress, or anxiety disorders. Addressing ED properly means evaluating overall health, not just prescribing a pill. At Prime Body, accessing medications like Viagra or Cialis is simple, discreet, and medically supervised. Here's how it works. Online medical evaluation with licensed providers. Personalized dosing based on your health history. Pharmacy-grade medication shipped directly to your door. Transparent, affordable pricing. Ongoing support and follow-up care. No awkward pharmacy lines. No inflated pricing. No guesswork. Prime Body ensures you receive safe, FDA-approved medications with professional oversight, so you can focus on confidence, performance, and overall wellness.